Hey everyone, I am JK. On behalf of Hair Crown UG team, allow me to present to you this video. We are going to show you how to restore natural curls in the hair. We are going to use rollers to set this hair to restore its natural curls, and it's going to look fresh as you're going to see in the end. First and foremost, we have to first wash, and we are already done with the washing, though we didn't show you when we were washing, but you know well how to wash hair. If you don't know how to wash hair, you can go into the previous videos. You will see how to wash hair. Then after washing hair, we started with applying hair food, and then right away we are starting with setting our hair using rollers. These are the rollers you see here using plaster sticks. We also first started with the first one, and this is the volume of the hair we are sectioning to put in our rollers. The rollers differ in sizes according to the curls that you want to put in the hair. This time around we used bigger rollers. We are using bigger rollers because our client wants to put bigger curls. And remember, you also depend on the thickness of the hair. She has thick hair. Remember, after washing, the hair has to be, you have to start restoring these curls when the hair is wet. You don't have to blow dry it, it has to be wet. Don't forget a setting lotion. You also use a setting lotion. You apply a setting lotion in this process when you are setting hair. Not all the time. You can apply it like trace or thrice according to the length of the process. It helps in setting this hair very, very well. So this is how we restore natural curls in the hair. You section your hair just like you see here using this comb, and then you bring your roller. This is how you go doing it. You make sure you make this hair so straight on the roller. It has to stretch well. You have to stretch it well to the tips. If you don't stretch it well to the tips, the curls won't be restored, and it can also cause the hair to break. So you comb it well with this small comb. You make sure there's no any tangling hair, and then you bring your roller, you stretch it out well with the roller, on the roller, and then you make sure there is nothing that entangles at that very time. Then you bring your stick, you connect it through there, just like the way I am doing. This here, you don't have to do it when the hair is dry. It has to be wet. That's why you first wash it. We wash it to get rid of all the dirt that could be in the hair, or the dandruff, or anything, or oil, any oils that could be in the hair. So it's a mandatory to first wash it so well, and then after washing, normally you have to apply hair food in your hair, and then This is how you do it. You see, she is combing it through it very well in order to get rid of any tangles, any entangles that could be in the hair. And then she's trying to stretch out the hair so well as she rolls it on the roller. She used the same stick here because it can connect the two. It can be used. You can use one, but there are moments when you can use one to on the two rollers. You can. There are those moments that you don't have to be using all the one stick. Be using single stick on each roller. There is a time you can use one stick on two rollers. This is how they set hair. It helps to restore the natural curls in the hair and to give it a fresh look, and to restore its thickness. This hair is going to have its natural thickness in the end of this video. Therefore, I really request you to stick with us in this video to the end of it. This is how we restore natural curls in the hair. I told you you use rollers according to the thickness of the person's hair and also according to the curls that you're going to restore. Most especially, you have to, of course, consider the original curls of the hair, how their trending moves like, so that you also get the same rollers that match her hair. So it's what we are doing here. You see that setting lotion, she's using it in the setting. Yeah, she's using it. She applies in the hair, and then she gets that small combs the hair so well. The section, you comb the section that you've cut or you've sectioned or you've portioned. You comb it so well before putting in your roller. Now we are done with putting our rollers in or setting. We are done. We are going to the next step of the dryer. She has to be in a dryer for as long as the hair is dry. You set the dryer, the time, you set the time and heat. It's normally 40 minutes plus 40 minutes according to the thickness of the hair, but it's normally 40 minutes according even to the heat you've put in. And then we are done. I'm taking this so fast. We are out of the dryer, so we are removing the rollers. You're going to see the curls so well restored and how the hair looks fresh again. We are removing the rollers. Ladies and gentlemen, you can give me thumbs up for the job well done, because I have tried to bring you all the videos that teach you about hair conditioning, hair treatments, hair braiding and plaiting, how to restore broken edges, a lot of things, all hair tips. And today I'm showing you how to set hair to restore its natural curls. So please give me thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So after removing the rollers, you apply hair oil on the scalp or hair food on the scalp again. And when you apply it, you have to make sure you massage so well so that this oil is well spread on the scalp. So you massage it so well to allow it to absorb into the scalp, and then you can style your hair in the way you want. You use a comb, it's a tongue comb, to comb the way you want, the direction you want to style your hair in. You are going to see how, after applying this scalp oil or the hair food, you're going to see the way we are going to style this hair using a tongue comb. Allow me to stop here and leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. I salute you from wherever you are tuning in and love you so much. See you in another video tomorrow. I am JK, a hair specialist and the CEO of Hair Crown UG. I love you all. Bye bye.